That was rubbish, but I'm going to crack on anyway. So English today, good morning. We are looking at non-fiction texts, and we are going to be continuing to work out what are the features of these non-fiction texts that we can use them in our own writing next week. So the first important thing that you need to do is click on the link that opens up the document that kind of talks it through. So I'm going to talk you through that now. Wait. So if you've managed to find this video, you should be able to find this document. As it says at the top, if you've not already watched the video, watching it, which is what you do now. And we're looking at a range of non-fiction texts, okay, so that we can write it next week. So in a minute, I'm going to show you what I do for a non-chronological report. But once you've done that, you've got these three different genres to look at. So you've got a biography, the debate, and down at the bottom, the persuasion. So if you click on one of the links, this is going to take us to the biography, and then it's going to load up, hopefully. Well, this is a little bit embarrassing, showing off my Wi-Fi speed. We're getting there. Let's count. Wow, this is really bad. Like, awful. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we've got, we can use cookies, that's fine. Click on that. So then you're going to look down this biography and you're going to look for the different features. So you might look for different things like titles, you might look at how it's organised, you might look at whether it's written in a chronological order. You'll look at some of the sentence structure that's involved. Okay, so this is just one of them for the biography, and then you can obviously click on the other one as well, and then that will help you with the biography, and then you can click on all of those and that'll help you. Here's me doing an example of it. So I'm going to show you how to do one for a non-chronological report. So I've got my little book here. I know that you're using the internet and web links, but it's easy for me to now to just show you in a book. So I'm going to look at this. Now this is telling me all information about dinosaurs. More specifically, it's talking about the bones of dinosaurs. So in your work today, you'd have done the dates, you'd have done your learning objective, and then I'm going to write the subtitle, non-chronological reports. Now you're not doing non-chronological reports, you're doing the three that are on that sheet. So it was persuasion, biography, and debate. And then I'm just going to make a bullet point list of the different features, the different things that are in this non-chronological report that I would use in mind if I was writing a non-chronological report. So hopefully you can see that we've got a big title to start off with, and we've got subheading here, subheading here, subheading here. So I'm going to bullet point and I'm going to say titles and subtitles to organise the text. Okay, and then I'm going to look and see what other examples we've got. Well, we've got an image here, image here, image here, image here, and all of these images are labelled. They explain what it is that they're saying. So, new bullet point. Images with labels to describe them. Then I'm going to be continuing on and looking what else is there going on there. Well, what's here? It is a introduction. So my work's going to have an introduction to explain what the report is about. What else has it got? It's got lots of technical vocabulary. Okay, so words that I wouldn't necessarily use unless I was doing about this topic. So technical vocabulary is in there. Would you say it's written formally or informally? Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. When a dinosaur died, it may have been quickly buried in mud or sand. Over many years, layers of mud, sand and rock uncovered the remains. Due to the action of weather and minerals, I would say, and I hope you'd agree with me, that it is written in quite a formal style. So we've got formal vocabulary. Also with a non-chronological report, They could have written these in any order. Type of fossils could have gone first. Preserved in stone could have gone in the middle. So a non-chronological report is, surprise, surprise, written in non-chronological order. And there will be more like this. Now, what I would suggest for you is you're not doing non-chronological reports. You're doing persuasion, and there's 2 examples, biography, and there's 2 examples, and debate, and there's 2 examples. So what I would do is use my list and see, well, has that got it? So when you're looking at the persuasion, has it got titles and subtitles to organise the text? And if it has, include it on that list. Images with labels to describe, has it? If it has, include them on there. And go through and work out. The other thing that you might want to think about is tense. What tense is it written in? And also sentence structure. How are a lot of the sentences organised? Okay? So, just going to transition out into one more video to kind of summarise what it is that you need to do. So, hopefully you've now got an idea of what you're doing in English. So you are looking at the 3 different genres: persuasion, biography, and recount. No, wrong. Persuasion, biography, and debate. You've got 2 texts to look at in each of those, and you're coming up with a list. Looks something like this for each of those genres. So you should end up with 3 that look quite similar to this. And then you've got a good idea when we come to write our own about stuff that we should include. So when you're writing your biography, you will know, right, I need to include this, 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 and this. If I was to write a non-chronological report, this would give me a good toolkit to know what it is that I need to include in it. As always, any problems, let me know, send me a message on Jojo, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, Year 6. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.